Huh. You know when he's at the end, he's like, my milkshake, bring it. What up, YouTube? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we got a mega unboxing. We got Pedro here with us. Pedro! What up, homie? We got plenty of boxes here to unbox for Big Haulin in the background. She's got parts in. Like we said we would order them. So we're gonna unbox these in front of the camera so you guys can see what's going on, what we got for it. This truck, this project is here to stay. So it's not the stock box we got it in. Actually, no, this is. This one at least is the box we got it in. Oh. Sorry guys, I had to. It's like Christmas time! This is just some busted cardboard. That is the lowering shackle for the rear. So what that's gonna do right there, make this bad girl sit a little level. So it kind of does one of them actions, right? I don't like that. So instead of sitting like this, I wanted to sit like this. Okay, okay. So we got two adjustment spots. So I think the first one is for 2 inches and the second one's for 2.5.
Yeah, those are two adjustment spots right there. And that's where you hook it on to the actual body of the car.
Exactly.
Suspension.
I'm so happy about these. I gotta show them this. I'm great. This is the first box. As you see, it's just got a simple box with these two lowering shackles or knuckles, whatever you call them in there. So these are gonna be put on. That's gonna be a project in itself. Ah, look at that fresh meat. Some pretty girl. Made a nice tray to make these happen. You know, gear hits stick together. You know how we do. Thank you for the gear hits of America. These are 2 years newer. They also an inch bigger.
You want to line her up, see how big they are?
Yeah, instead of having those snowflakes, you're gonna have. Oh yeah, look at that. Right. So that'll be the new look for her. See it fill up the wheel well a little bit more.
Fill up the wheel well? Do you think you're gonna rub with those or no? I think it'll be fine, honestly.
It's about the same width. It's just a couple inches higher. But the whole vehicle will be raised. I'll explain that to you guys on a later video to show you how it's gonna fit just fine.
Those are some nice wheels. I think
it is.
And you're gonna paint the lip on them, aren't you?
What I'm thinking, and I'm this area in here, think about making black. Just because Big Hole is black. So think about making all these areas right in here black, just to give it a little touch of WhipGetters. Speaking of that, I gotta show them what's in this box for that reason.
Hey dude, Pedro! Yeah, come on! You just opened, wait, hold on. You just opened the box and you didn't show anything. You just opened it and walked away.
I was gonna show you guys. You see it's got the plastic still on it. Thank you, Amazon, for the fresh, you know, fresh.
You're gonna take it off right now?
No, I'm just showing the people that, you know, it's not dusty looking. It's just got a plastic cover over it.
Busted.
So, get him, break it.
It breaks it.
He's like, what happened, bro? These are brand new. Man, this is terrible. It's supposed to be a gear hit. It's supposed to snap right in. What's going on? Nope, that didn't work either.
The other side just keeps popping out.
Well, they did go in the other day.
What can you do?
I don't know what happened since then.
Dang, dude, be careful.
Oh, there they are.
Woo!
Look at that.
Look how beautiful that looks.
That looks pretty fresh to me.
We got the old 5-spoke behind it, and then we got the updated. You can even just tell just a resemblance of how they are. The years just went up.
Right.
You got those busted ass, those busted ass rims in the beginning. I mean, you got these nice ones.
You know what though? If these were painted black or glossed or powder coat or some crazy color, that's still, I feel like it's a pretty cool 5-spoke wheel, you know?
Yeah,
5-star wheel.
Yeah, I do like that. I don't like how they get the center mass, I guess you would call it, the circle so big. It's pretty
That's what
thick.
she said.
She's
Got it.
I was about to say, you ready? I was about to say, dummy thick.
All right.
She's actually dummy thicker than. Okay, we need to stop. Maybe we should. Maybe we should.
This video is getting demonetized. Just saying. All right, so this is just the box with all those wheel center caps in here. Nothing special. Sorry, Pedro. This is my pipe. No, you don't like those old cigar pipes? Yeah. That's like with the. Right. Yeah. This is the outer tie rod. This is gonna be a job by itself. That should be bad. It's not gonna be bad, but that's old. It's rusted. Yeah, so this is what you do, guys. When you have like old projects like this, you spend a couple of days, you know, ahead of time prepping. Meaning as you're getting some PVC blast or something. He's gonna get blasted off the. He gets some PVC blast, and you soak down everything, so it's not a nightmare when you go to take it apart. Right. So we'll add that one there too. So what we got here? So what is this? No idea.
So this is a sway bar end links.
For the truck?
Yes.
That's weird. I've never seen one like that, bro.
That's long.
You know those sway bar end links are usually like backwards, you know? You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about?
Like you're an Egyptian, bro.
Yeah, they're like Egyptian, like Gumby. Is that what you call me?
Oh,
Gumby arms.
Oh.
No. Stop, come on.
Oh, sorry.
Those are actually nice. I'm not gonna lie. These are weird. These are so strange. I've never seen something like that ever.
What you do is you unbolt it. The sway bar end link goes here. The other link goes here. And it works.
Oh, okay.
We have to show the people how it's done.
Yeah, we'll show you. You're
We'll show you
obviously
guys.
gonna see it.
You know.
They're gonna be changed together. You know what's funny?
What's that, buddy?
When we always record, it's always raining outside. Always. It's
You're
either
right.
night or raining.
You're right.
No. Okay. Dude, he was sitting there. It's like someone came up to you and stole your seat from me. Stop.
Hit me that part, bro. Got a nice grease in there.
Whoa, you're moving so much, dude. Dude, you don't do stop. What is that?
This slides over this. Goes in there.
Yeah.
See, this be covered, keep the dust and stuff out the boot.
Yeah.
Yep, this is what this boot's for. Keep dust and everything out.
Yeah.
And yeah, we gotta put these bad girls on too.
Problem? What was that?
Wait, hold on.
He missed
Did it? No, you guys saw that. I didn't see it. I was putting the tripod down.
I mean, it made me think of dodgeball. You know when he was at the end, he's like, my milkshake, bring it.
Oh, dang, it's slippery. I almost buzzed my head. This is the big box of the hour.
Ooh-wee.
This is a big girl.
Let me go with the box with the tape. Let's see.
Jeez.
All right, guys. So we got some beautiful. It's a new hub bearing. That is going to be a fun job and a half to do, but I look forward to it because essentially with some new struts and some new brakes, the whole front end will be brand new. So it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
The light just turned off. Dude, remember? Hold on.
Uh-oh, here we go again.
No, remember the video. I keep bringing it up, but it bothers me.
I can tell.
Yeah, but remember. Remember that video?
What's that, bro?
The first super check over
I
one?
remember.
The wheels started moving.
He's like, wheels moving, bro? I'm like,
No, that was you. You said, and the wheels moving. I said,
hey,
what?
Ever since then, guys, he's been freaked out.
Yeah, dude, the light just turned off by itself. We don't know what's over there. Anything could be over there.
I would sign this dude up for some karate class.
Yeah, what's up?
We need to sign you up for some Cobra Kai or something, bro.
First thing on the list that we showed you guys, we've got these drop knuckles. Right here.
Yeah.
These are gonna be fun.
And they actually have a hole right here. This is where the grease fitting actually screws in and you actually can grease them
Grease
up.
it from the outside. Isn't that convenient?
Pretty handy.
So we got the drop knuckles. That's one. That's the first thing we showed. Okay. Next we got
Ooh, some pretty cap covers.
pretty cats. We're gonna keep it in the little, you know.
We gotta keep it looking brand new.
Then we got the. I don't even want to touch that anymore. I don't want to touch that because what you did. Rico, stop! Stop! No. Rico, stop! Why are we such children, dude? Come on.
All right, so we got the inner, we got the tie rod is inner and outer. We got the dust boots. I mean, essentially we have pretty much every key component. Yo,
I'm
this is the point
hoping-
of doing all this at once versus.
What the hell?
Well, you don't like the hand gestures?
Please, no. Okay, so this is my perspective. So, I'm Rico, you're Tyler, okay? I'm talking, you know. you're me, I'm Rico. So, this. We've got all these things. Poor Pedro literally almost got crushed.
When would you like to do
That is
all
a
this work?
Good question.
Because it's gonna have to be done. If you want it done soon, we need to do it soon.
So I'm thinking within the next week or so.
We just pick a day out of the week, say, hey, we're gonna stay this late. We're gonna crack up.
We're gonna use that beautiful lift right there, or the one next to the Supra.
Yeah. We got a beautiful lift right there. We got our old baby girl Supra over there. Stop! Put it away!
I'm not gonna say nothing.
Just stop. Please.
So, but this was the beautiful unboxing. It, you know, took a little time to get all the parts together, but they're here. It's time to put them on.
Right now?
And not today.
just send her home.
Yes, right. I'm gonna put these boys on the shelf
and then let them sit for a while. Yeah, that's all we can really do.
Yeah, I mean, it's life, guys. Trust me, you understand. But yeah, we are gonna get this done probably here within the next week or so. The goal is to knock it out all in one night, hopefully within 2 or 3 hours. It's gonna be a great time. We're gonna be silly and turn up like we always are, and hopefully by then we may have a couple more parts that are going to be arriving.
Yeah, and
We're gonna show those. We're gonna show them.
I already told you what they were, but you know, just in
if
case.
they were paying attention.
Exactly.